Maintaining uninterrupted electrical power is very important for some facilities and processes. Think of a hospital. What would happen if the power went out during a surgery? What would happen to a patient connected to oxygen or life support machine dependent on electricity? Whether it's a hospital, a laboratory, a manufacturing facility, or any other critical infrastructure, a sudden utility power outage can have severe consequences. This is where automatic transfer switches, ATS, can ensure the seamless transition to backup power sources. In this video, we'll explore how ATS is employed to maintain power during utility outages and why they are a fundamental part of various construction projects. How automatic transfer switches work. Automatic transfer switches are devices that monitor the quality of the primary power source, which is typically the utility grid, and automatically switches to an alternative power source when an outage is detected. Here's how they work. An ATS system is designed to connect to two power sources, the primary utility power and a secondary backup power source, often a generator. During normal operation, the ATS connects the load to the primary power source. The controller keeps a close eye on the quality of this power source. ATS systems are equipped with sensing devices that continuously monitor the voltage and frequency of the primary power source. When the controller detects an interruption in the primary power supply, it automatically initiates a transfer to the secondary source, typically a generator. This swift response is critical for critical applications such as hospitals and data centers. This transfer occurs in less than 1 second. Switch mechanism. The heart of the ATS is its switch mechanism, which is responsible for making and breaking electrical connections. It ensures that only one power source can be connected at a time, preventing any backfeeding of power. Before making the transfer to the secondary source, the ATS ensures that the generator's output matches the utility power in terms of voltage, frequency, and phase. This synchronization is vital to protect sensitive equipment from damage. Once the utility power is restored and stable, the ATS automatically switches the load back to the primary source, ensuring that the backup source is used only when necessary. If you like that video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.